Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, this is Roaming Required. Here we talk about all things life, travel, food, and of course London. Today we are in Chester in Cheshire in England. We are here staying at the Indigo Hotel behind me to sample a little bit of what it's like now that the hotels have reopened here in the UK. We want to know what's changed now that hotels have reopened. What does housekeeping look like? What does check-in look like? Is the buffet breakfast still a thing in the hotels? We're here to find out. So let's head in. Walking into the hotel, the first thing I noticed was the signage for guest and staff safety and well-being. These are situated in places like the lobby, in the lift, as well as numerous hand sanitizing stations scattered throughout the hotel. These acrylic screens have been erected at the bar and reception. They act as an extra layer of protection between staff and guests. So at the moment the hotel is running social distancing measures by way of traffic flow. They're getting guests to take the elevator up to their room, but to go down via the stairs. The hotel uses floor markers to direct guests through a one-way system, guiding them from the front door to reception to the lifts, and this continues through the lounge and into the restaurant. How it works so far is that you book in for a very specific time and the staff will greet you and walk you to the table. At that point, everybody is wearing a mask, so you as a diner, as well as the staff that are escorting you, and all of the staff that are waiting on tables are also wearing face coverings. It's a really good first impression to see that the way that that's being handled. Really love that. When you are sat at your table, it is entirely table service. They give you menus on pieces of paper, and everything from then on is no touch. So when meals come to the table, they are brought on an oversized tray, and then you, the diner, takes your plate from the tray rather than it being placed in front of you. It's a little bit different. It's definitely different to what we're used to, but I can't say that I hate it. Actually, I quite like it. And if this is the future of hotels, then I'm okay with it. It's breakfast time at the Indigo Chester. Okay, so as it has been in the past when it was normally a traditional buffet breakfast, how it's working here is you can have all of the continental that you would like. So cereals, fruit, yogurt you would like, that's brought to your table. You just need to order it from your server, and you also get one selection from the hot menu. So that includes eggs benedict, and traditional English breakfast with your choice of eggs, smashed avocado with poached eggs, which is something I definitely have my eye on, and an omelette, which is probably rammed full of protein, which will keep you going all day long. There are some, but not huge nor obvious changes to rooms. Hotel Indigo has decided to reduce the number of soft furnishings in rooms. Items like cushions and bed runners are currently done away with, however you can request them if you'd like them. Housekeeping is optional, with rooms needing to be vacated by guests for housekeeping to take place. If you choose not to accept housekeeping, just keep your Do Not Disturb sign on the door and no one will bother you. Still in the room is tea and coffee making facilities, because after all, this is England. So we've just checked out of Indigo Chester for our very first hotel stay since lockdown. Overall, the entire experience was fantastic. Social distancing measures were spot on. All of the staff that have contact with guests were wearing face masks and coverings the entire time. And there's hand sanitizer stations scattered throughout the hotel. So for a very first hotel stay post-lockdown, it was a 5-star experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thanks for joining. Until next time, bye bye.